I teach computer English. Today I am here with an interesting topic which is very useful to anyone who is trying to complete voice and narration. Narration in the sense direct speech and indirect speech. So, what is the thing that we should learn first to complete voice and narration? Let me tell you. Sentence and its types. Without knowing which type of sentence it is, we can't identify which type of rule is going to be used in voice or in narration. Okay, first let us know what are the types of sentences. If you like my video, please share it to your friends. Please subscribe my channel to get more information from me. Please make a note while I am teaching anything. Okay? Now, let us see types of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences. They are assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory and optative. There are 5 types. Assertive in the sense nothing but a statement which is true, which is strong, which can't be changed. That is called statement. The statement can be in 2 types. Positive affirmative, negative affirmative. Let us see. I speak English. Let us see the example. I speak English regularly. If I speak English regularly, I can say I speak English regularly. I don't speak English daily. I don't speak English daily. Sometimes I use another language like Telugu, Hindi, in that way. So it comes under negative affirmative. It is positive affirmative. It comes under assertive. Assertive in the sense declarative. We are declaring something which is true, which we can believe, which you can believe. Okay? Now, imperative. For imperative, one and only one thing we have to observe carefully. It is about request, order, command, suggestion or advice. Okay? Please give me your pencil. In the sense, I am requesting you. You are requested to give me your pencil. Give me your pencil. I am asking your pencil to give it to me. In the sense, it comes under request. Sit there. You are ordered to sit there. In the sense, it is an order. Command. For example, soldiers are standing in the line. Okay, army commander is saying, stand in a line. You are all commanded to stand in a line. Suggest. Let us play cricket. It is suggested that we should play cricket. It comes under. Okay. It comes under suggestion. In the sense, informal use for closers, for your friends, for your family members. In that way, we can use suggestion. Okay. Now, interrogative. Interrogative. By seeing this word only, you have to observe one thing carefully. It is about question. I am asking question. Ask. I am inquiring. I am doing inquiry about something. In the sense, I am inquiring. Okay. Question, inquiry, ask. These 3 things come under interrogative. Simply, you can observe carefully. If you see any question, that question will end with a question mark, especially question mark. By seeing this question mark, you can understand whether it is interrogative or not. It is very useful in voice and also in narration. Okay. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory in the sense, we are getting idea. Exclamation mark. For what purpose we have to use this? For surprise, astonishment. Amazing. If you feel happy at that time, hooray, we can use exclamation mark. Sorrow, alas, I lost the match. At that time also, surprise, wow. Anger, oh God. Like that. We can use exclamatory sentence for expressing our feelings through joy, sorrow, surprise, anger. Okay? Optative. Optative in the sense, we are wishing something. I wish you may live long. You may live long in the sense, you may live 100 years. It is my wish, but it is going to happen or not? Secondary. Okay. Pray. I pray to God. You may be happy. In the sense, you have to stay happy. It is my prayer to God. Curse. I wish you die. I curse you, you die. In the sense, it comes under curse. Bless. May God bless you. My mom blessed me, may God bless you. It comes under bless. For pray, wish, curse or bless, these all things can be considered under optative sentence. In the sense, it is not at all exact true. It is going, if it happens in good way, it is good to us. In that way we are thinking, it is our wish. Okay, bless in the sense, blessing also our wish only. Okay, in that way. If you observe carefully, please make a note of all these rules. Okay, because these are all very useful to voice and also narration. Please subscribe my channel to get more information from me. Please share my videos to your friends. Okay, thank you.